you want to be able to sync your planning center and Google Calendar, let me show you how to do it automatically using Zapier. To do this task, I'll want to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. With Zapier's no-code app builder, I can create my Zap from scratch, or with Zapier's new AI Copilot, I can just describe what I want. I could say something like, create a Google Calendar event for my planning center events, and it'll build this workflow for me. Once I've typed that in, my Zap will be created. On the left-hand side, the Copilot will tell me the steps I need to take to complete my Zap. I can edit my Zaps using the Copilot if needed by typing into the bottom left screen. To start, select your trigger. Our trigger is an event that starts any Zap. In this case, our trigger is Planning Center. Before configuring my steps, I'll need to log into my account. To do this, click on the Account tab. The first time we set up Planning Center, we'll need to connect it with Zapier. If this is your first time logging in, a link will pop up for you to log into your account. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. We'll then need to fill out our trigger app's data. Select the service you'd like to use for your Zap and then click Continue. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. Testing our steps ensures that the data we entered is working. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue with selected record and we can start creating our action. In Zapier, an action is the task that happens automatically after our trigger is set off. Your action event should already be set, so log into your Google account just like you did with your Planning Center account. From there, we can start to assign our trigger apps data into the Action Apps field. I can select from the dropdown or add my own text to customize my Zap even further. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Let's check our Google Calendar to make sure this works. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, whenever I create a new plan in my Planning Center, a Google Calendar event will automatically be created. So whether you're managing a sales pipeline, automating a marketing campaign, or building your own custom business app, Zapier makes it easy to build applications without coding. And if you like this workflow, click the link below and Copilot will build this app for you automatically. You can sign up and start for free.